I'll show you two methods of character animation in After Effects in 1 minute. In the first method, if you want to create an arm animation, you create the whole arm as a single layer. Then select the layer, go to Puppet tool and add the puppet pins to the joints. Then you go to each puppet and give movements to these puppet pins. And add keyframes with different positions to make the animation. You have to be very precise, which is not easy. In the second method, we create separate layers for all the individual parts of the arm. We bring the anchor points to the joints for each part of the arm. And then we just rotate the layers. But before we create the animation, we parent the forearm to the upper arm so that when we move the upper arm, the forearm moves with it and it doesn't leave the forearm behind. Similarly, we parent the hands to the forearm. Now we can add keyframes to make the animation. Both methods have their pros and cons and need to be chosen based on your project requirements.